going to see the new permanent tissue, that is the collenchyma. Collenchyma. Here, colon, Greek word that is known as the angular thickening. Angular thickening means corners are filled up by means of the corners fill up. That is known as the collenchyma. The tissue collenchyma is a simple tissue. Means this tissue is made up of from only one type of the cell having the same origin, structure and function. Such tissues, they are known as simple tissues. The tissues are permanent, means due to the additions of the derivatives, the cells of the meristematic tissue is immediately divides and becomes undividable and permanent. Such tissues, they are known as permanent tissues. The collenchyma is a living tissue. Collenchyma is a living tissue. This living tissue consists the cell, that is the cells aha, oval, polygonal, to spherical in outline. The cells are spherical, oval or polygonal in outline. The cells wall possesses the cellulose and pectin. Cellulose and pectin. The cells are unevenly thickened at corners. Cells are evenly thickened at corners. The cells living consist the dense cytoplasm, prominent nucleus, small vacuole is present in the cell. The cells are compactly arranged. Without intercellular spaces. Without intercellular spaces. It is a presence in all weak plants. It also presents in herbaceous stems. It also presents in large veins. In margins of the leaves, leaf-sheath bases. It is absent in underground root and monocotyledons. Here, see, it's a diagram. The collenchyma is a simple one. It is, the cells are made up of from the only one type of the cells, therefore simple. It is a permanent. due to additions of the meristematic derivatives in the cells immediately splits, modified into permanent and mature cells. Therefore, they are known as permanent. The cells are living. Consider the cell, cytoplasm, prominent nucleus, small vacuoles presence. The cells are oval, spherical to polygonal. Cells are oval, spherical to polygonal. The cells spherical, polygonal to oval. Each cell consists the nucleus and then the cytoplasm, because the tissue is a living one. It consists of the small vacuoles. The cell wall is made up of this cellulose and pectin compounds. Cellulose and pectin compounds. The cell walls are unevenly thickened at corners. Means where the cells spherical to oval joined each other, that time there is a gap that is known as the intercellular spaces. These intercellular spaces are filled up. Intercellular spaces are filled up. Not spaces remains as it is. It is filled by means of the space. Due to this intercellular spaces, the walls shows unevenly thickened at corners. Unevenly thickened at corners means this cell and this cell where corner to the another cell is joined is unevenly thickened. The cell wall unevenly thickened means thin wall. Such uneven cell walls means it functions as the shock absorbers, as the egg trays. When eggs they are the delicate put into the tray, then does not breaks. Such a type of the from all sides, the when compressed, then the tissue does not damage. The tissues does not damage. Therefore, its functions is to give the mechanical support, mechanical strength and support, strengthening elasticity, strengthening, and therefore the stem or leaf base, the elongation takes place. Means mechanical strength and the support. It just present beneath the epidermis. The cortex, which is made up of first layer, that is the hypodermis. In this hypodermis, the collenchymatous tissues are present. Here, it is generally present in a weak stem. That is in a cucurbita family, the stem is weak. To stand erect, to give the support, in these plants there. The herbaceous plants, throughout its life, the plant is the stem is green, delicate, soft, and there is no secondary growth takes place. Such stems they are known as the herbaceous stems. In these plants, to give the mechanical strength and support, this collenchyma tissue is naturally present in the plant body. Then it consists in the presence in the leaf veins. Means the reticulate venation or parallel venation, they are there in the veins. It is present. Means to avoid the margin breaks. These leaves are veins in the collenchyma presence, are also it presents in the margins of the leaf. Means due to this strong wind, does not margins breaks, or due to the heavy rain, the margin does not breaks. Also in a leaf sheath, the stalk of the leaf, means to avoid the fallen down, because the sheath becomes to be strengthened to give the support to the plant body. It is absent in the roots. In the monocotyledons and dicotyledons, roots in the roots are absent, and in all monocotyledon plants it is absent. The collenchyma gives the mechanical strength and support to the plant body to avoid the compress from the each other. Therefore, it's strengthening and elongation of the lip flexus.